Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make easy nacho cheese. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need some block cheese, milk, and a few common seasonings. The key is to melt the cheese gently to achieve that perfectly smooth, creamy texture everyone loves. We'll also discuss how to season it just right for a delicious, authentic nacho cheese experience. Finally, we'll cover the best ways to serve and enjoy your homemade creation. To begin, you'll need about 8 ounces of your favorite block cheese, such as sharp cheddar or Monterey Jack, grated for easier melting. Next, grab 1/2 cup of milk. Whole milk works best for richness. For thickening, we'll use 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. Finally, for seasoning, have 1/4 teaspoon of salt ready, and a small pinch of cayenne pepper if you like a little heat. These simple items are all it takes. Now let's get cooking. Start by grating your 8 ounces of cheese. This helps it melt more evenly and quickly. In a small saucepan, whisk the 1 tablespoon of cornstarch into the 1/2 cup of cold milk until there are no lumps. Place the saucepan over medium-low heat, stirring constantly. Once the milk is warm, gradually add the grated cheese, a little at a time, continuing to stir until it's completely smooth and melted. Your delicious, easy nacho cheese is now ready to enjoy. Serve it immediately with a big bowl of tortilla chips or drizzle it over your favorite nachos. If you're making it for a gathering, you can keep it warm in a small, slow cooker. Any leftovers can be stored in an airtight container in the refrigerator. When you're ready to enjoy it again, simply reheat it gently on the stove top or in the microwave, stirring until smooth.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.